Today I'm diving deep into my finances to figure out my real return on investment. Can I make sense of it all and turn my numbers into something actionable? Understanding your return on investment, or ROI, is crucial for making informed financial decisions. It's essentially about knowing how much of your investment's profit is actually yours. But let's face it, the financial landscape is complex, and getting a clear picture of your ROI isn't always straightforward. Many of us think we have a good handle on our investments, but the truth is there's often a gap between what we think we're earning and what we're actually earning. This misconception can stem from not accounting for fees, taxes, or the time value of money. For instance, you might see a 10% gain on your investment, but after fees and taxes, that gain may be significantly lower. It's these nuances that can make a huge difference in your actual ROI. Another common pitfall is not considering the risk associated with an investment. High-risk investments might offer high returns, but if they also come with a high chance of loss, your actual ROI could be much lower than expected. And then there's the issue of inflation. If your investment is only growing at a rate of 2%, but inflation is at 3%, you're actually losing money in terms of purchasing power. The reality is, calculating your real ROI requires a more detailed approach than just looking at your investment's surface level performance. It involves considering all the factors that affect your returns, from fees and taxes to risk and inflation. Exploring different types of investments, we have stocks, bonds, real estate, and more, each with its own set of factors that can affect ROI. For example, stocks can be volatile, while bonds might offer more stable returns but with lower yields. Property can provide rental income but comes with its own set of risks, like property management issues and now the new Renters Reform Bill. To calculate your real ROI effectively, you need to look at the net gain from your investment, subtract all costs, and then consider the time your money is invested. It's not just about the percentage return, it's about what that return means for your financial goals. A key insight that significantly impacts how we should evaluate our current investments is the power of compounding. Even small differences in ROI can add up over time, turning a modest investment into a substantial one. However, this works both ways. Small fees or losses can also compound and significantly reduce your returns. In today's financial landscape, understanding the real ROI of your investments is more important than ever. It helps you make informed decisions, adjust your strategy as needed, and ultimately achieve your financial goals. So what do you think about your current ROI? Have you calculated it, or is it something you are still trying to figure out? Share your experiences in the comments below, and if you're looking to optimize your investment strategy, be sure to check out my next video where we'll dive into the actionable tips to help you to get the most out of your investments. If you'd like to discuss anything you've heard or seen in this video or any of my other videos, don't hesitate to contact me, that's Alan, on 07539141257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141257, or 0333 224 1257. From outside the UK, that's +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email to alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.